To find out the secret of cooking the beautiful octopus and make it soft and tender, then there should be some technique, right? So today I'm going to show you the beautiful technique how to cook the beautiful octopus and make it soft and tender. Well, the octopus is known for its soft body and 8 limbed tentacles. It can be found in various parts of ocean like coral reefs and seabeds, etc. They grow very fast and mature early, and they are very short-lived. Also, all octopus are very venomous, but only the blue-ringed octopus are deadly to human. Here I have 2 pieces of whole octopus weighing 1 to 2 kg each. So before we boiling the octopus, we must clean the head invert out to remove dirt and sand particles. And also we must clean its mouth, that is exactly in the middle as you can see in the video. For cooking, I am using very few ingredients. For example, I have 2 sprigs of rosemary, 3 to 4 bay leaves, and few pieces of red wine cork. The purpose of using wine cork is to enhance its tenderness. Most experts and chefs regularly prepare with it, and honestly, I find it very useful. Now let's put all the ingredients in water, which is rosemary, bay leaf and cork, and let it boil vigorously. So when it is boiling, let's start to put octopus one by one. So here is a technique. Do not drop octopus directly inside the water. So I'm dipping in and out the octopus inside the water, which eventually is tempering the octopus and helping it to tenderize. The cooking time, it depends on the size of your octopus. If it is 1 to 2 kg, it takes 45 minutes, and it's 2 to 4 kg, then it takes 1 hour and 1.5 hour time. Since the size of my octopus is 2 kg, here I put the timer for my octopus 45 minutes.
Let's go.
So here it is, the soft tender octopus. Now you can use this octopus for any sort of hot or cold dishes. I'm sure that you have gained the secret technique behind every soft, tender and delicious octopus.